Hello and welcome to this video. So for this video, I'm going to talk about antiderivative for beginners. Antiderivative is also known as integration. So first we're going to do some derivative examples. So the derivative d over dx of x cubed. The rule is we bring the power down and we subtract 1 from the power. So x cubed, we bring the power down and we subtract 1 from the power. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. The derivative of 3x squared. We bring the power down, so 2 multiplied by 3, and we subtract 1 from the power. 2 minus 1. So 2 multiplied by 3, and 2 minus 1 is x to the power of 1. So 2 by 3 is 6, x to the power of 1 is x. The derivative of 6x. So when you see x with nothing on top means x is to the power of 1. So we bring the 1 down. 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So x is 1. So 6 by 1 is 6. So now for the antiderivative. So the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared, as we did right here. What if we put this sign right here, the antiderivative sign? What will happen is the antiderivative and the derivative will cancel each other. So when the antiderivative and the derivative will cancel each other, we will have this right here. So let's put that right here in blue. So x cubed is equal to antiderivative of 3x squared. What does this mean? When the antiderivative and the derivative will cancel each other, when you go right, you will get the derivative. And when you go left, you will get the antiderivative. So, watch. X cubed, the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. And the antiderivative of 3x squared is x cubed. How is the antiderivative of 3x squared x cubed? We will show you right here. So, 3x, first, we add 1 to the power. So, 2 plus 1 is 3. And then we divide by the new power. First, we add 1 to the power, so 2 plus 1 is 3. And then we divide by the new power. So 3 will cancel with 3, so x to the power of 2 plus 1 is x cubed. So we will do some antiderivative examples. The antiderivative of 6. So as we said, we add 1 to the power, so x to the power of 0 plus 1 is x to the power of 1. And we divide by the new power. So 6x over 1 is 6x. So the antiderivative of 6 is 6x. The antiderivative of 6x. So as we said, we add 1 to the power. So 1 plus 1 is 2. And we divide by the new power. So 6 over 2 is 3. So 3x squared. So the antiderivative of 6x is 3x squared. The last one, the antiderivative of 3x squared. So we add 1 to the power, 2 plus 1 is 3. We divide by the new power over 3. So 3 goes with 3, so it's going to be x 2 plus 1, which is x cubed. So the antiderivative of 3x squared is x cubed. So the antiderivative of 3x squared is x cubed. This is the formula to find the antiderivative. So the antiderivative of n, x to the power of m, is equal to n over m plus 1. X, m plus 1. Now case n is equal to 3, n is equal to 3, and m is equal to 2. M is equal to 2. So n is the number multiplied by the x, and the m is the power of x. So let's do 6x, for example. So n is going to equal to 6, and m is going to equal to the power of x, which is 1 in this case. So 6x 1 is equal to 6x 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. So 6 over 1 plus 1, which is 2. 6 over 2 is 3. And x 1 plus 1 is 2. So 3x2. So this formula can be used to find any antiderivative. No, a constant must be added to the integral, but is assumed to be equal 0 for the benefit of beginners. This will be explained in further videos. The green equation is a simplified formula for integration. As we said, the green equation will find any integration, which is also known as antiderivative. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you understood it. If you have any question, please comment it below. Thank you very much.